Fox 10 News reporter Paige Malone has details on this. Paige.
Well, Bob, this summer, Governor Robert Billy signed 2 bills into law. Both are supposed to be deterrents against driving under the influence. Well, they took effect in September, so you may want to think twice before hitting the road after a couple of drinks. The holidays are one of the most dangerous times to be out on the road. This Thanksgiving weekend, there were 6 fatalities on Alabama roads. In 3 of them, officers say the drivers had been drinking. Well, this year, the legislature is sending a message.
The legislature is being tough on DUIs.
Martin Poynter represents DUI accident victims. He's referring to 2 laws that took effect September 1st. The first, if you're what Poynter refers to as double drunk, you face double the penalties.
On a first-time DUI, what you're talking about is instead of a minimum $600 fine, $1,200 fine.
In order to be double drunk, you have to have a blood alcohol level of 0.15. The legal limit is 0.08. A study done between 2003 and 2007 showed that's a huge chunk of offenders. Now, the average person tested had a blood alcohol level of 0.137, and 41% of those tested had above the double drunk standard.
This new law certainly will have a huge impact on the lives of those who've been convicted of DUI.
When Governor Billy signed the bill, he also made Alabama the last state to enact an interlock law.
You'll have to have a device in your car that you have to blow into, and if it measures a BAC of 0.02% or greater, then your car won't start.
Now, there are 5 ways you can be forced to install the system. The first, if you blow a 0.15 or greater. The second, if you're driving with someone under 14 years old. Also, if someone is injured because of your driving. The fourth, if it's your second DUI in 5 years, or if you refuse to submit to a breathalyzer. But Poynter says you won't see the interlock system until next year.
Legislatures left it up to the Department of Forensic Sciences to designate what companies will be able to install and maintain these devices in the cars, and they haven't done that yet.
With these tougher penalties, Poynter says we're going to be seeing a lot of people hiring criminal defense lawyers, but hopefully the roads will be safer. Now, in 2009, there were 22,000 people in Alabama arrested for DUI, and 77% of those were convicted. But we do have some good news. In the past 30 years, DUI arrests have actually declined.